Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find a group you are join on Facebook. First go to www.facebook.com. This will open your Facebook newsfeed if you are logged in. From your newsfeed, click group in the left menu. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of a group that you want to join. Select the group that you want to join. You will see join group to the right of the group name. Click it. Will send a request to the group moderators. Depending on the group setting, you may have a wait for a group admin to approve your request. Wait some time. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Press bell icon for more updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.